Well, I don't know if this stuff will work or not. I did a fair bit of reading about joining bits of this PLA stuff. One of the suggestions suggested this sort of stuff. I think I've been ripped off buying it. It's extremely expensive, and when I've opened it, it's like almost like jelly inside. I think it's already gone off, this stuff. So I think I've been ripped off. But I've used it. I've got it all clamped in position. Hold in position for 10 seconds, wipe off any excess. Joints should not be disturbed for at least 10 minutes, after which they may be handled, but with care. Allow 24 hours before applying any pressure. Yeah, I think I should use 2-part epoxy, but we'll find out. Sorry to be a bit negative, but I'm not very happy paying that sort of money for something that I think was actually faulty in the shop. And of course, now that I've used it, I can't really take it back, can I? So, the question is, did that glue work at all? The noise is the washing machine in the background. Okay. Well, that feels okay. The only thing is, I didn't get it butted up well enough when I did it. Corners are alright. Middle's a bit of a gap, so I need to fill that in some way or other. Well, technically I don't need to fill it at all, because it's still going to float whether it's got a gap there or not. If I was a regular 3D printer guy, I'd have some of the spare PLA rod, or whatever you want to call it, and you'd just melt it into there with something like a soldering iron or something to fill the gap. So, I don't know, I'll find something to fill it with, but at least that seems to have done the job. I was very dubious, but it does seem to have worked. So the next thing, I need to glue that bit on there. So we have our boat shape. And then finish off what I was doing with the propeller shaft tube, which at the moment is a little bit too long. So yeah, that appears to be good news at the moment. I was very doubtful.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.